Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove background noise in CapCut PC step by step. This feature helps make your voice clearer by reducing unwanted background sounds. So let's get started. First, open CapCut on your PC. Next, create a new project or open an existing one. Then import the video or audio file you want to edit. Drag the file onto the timeline. Next, click to select the video or audio clip on the timeline. Then go to the audio panel on the right side. Scroll down until you find the noise reduction option. Next, turn on noise reduction. Adjust the level if the option is available to get the best sound quality. Play the video to preview the changes. If you're satisfied with the result, click the Export button in the top right corner. Choose your export settings. Then click Export again to save your video. And that's it. You've successfully removed background noise in CapCut PC. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more CapCut PC tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.